In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Xero account in just a few minutes. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or just someone interested in exploring accounting software options, Xero offers a range of features that can make managing finances much easier. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to head over to the Xero accounting software website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL or just search for Xero login to get there quickly. Once you are on the landing page, you'll spot a button that says Try Xero for free. Go ahead and click on that to start your sign up journey. The great thing about Xero is that they offer a 30-day free trial, which means you can explore all the features without any commitment. So take advantage of this opportunity to see if it's the right fit for your needs. Next, you'll arrive at a page where you need to enter your personal information. Begin by typing in your first name. It's important that the information you provide here is accurate, as it will be linked to your Xero account. Following this, you'll be asked for your last name. Enter it carefully to avoid any discrepancies later. Now type in your email address. Make sure this is an email you have access to, as you'll need to verify it later on in the process. After your email, input your phone number. This step is vital for account security and for any potential account recovery needs. Move on to selecting your location. This is usually straightforward, as most sign-up pages automatically detect your location, but double check for accuracy. This ensures that the software provides you with the correct regional settings and options. After filling out your personal details, you'll see links to Xero's terms of use, privacy notice, and offer conditions. It's always a wise decision to skim through these documents to understand what you're agreeing to. If you're okay with the terms, click to accept them. Another security step is to verify yourself by clicking on the I'm not a robot checkbox. This is a quick and easy capture task that helps protect against spam and fraud. Once confirmed, proceed by clicking on the button labelled Next Confirmation. At this stage, Xero will prompt you to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Xero. Simply follow the link provided in the email to verify and activate your new account. And there you have it, you've successfully signed up for a Xero account. Now you can begin exploring the platform's capabilities and start managing